Imagine the alphabet. We all remember being kids learning how to draw the letters. So, take your index finger and use it to draw on your forehead a capital letter Q. Probably started with a circle, right? But where did you put the tail to make the letter Q on your forehead? Did you put it on the left or did you put it on the right? How you drew your Q can tell you a lot about what stage of life you're in. To show you just what we're talking about, we asked science journalist Cara Santamaria to test this concept on the boardwalk.
Ooh, free face paint.
Kamosi, first thing I'd like you to do is take this face paint and draw a letter Q on your forehead.
How do you think the boardwalk will draw the letter?
Awesome. So if I were to ask you, which direction do you think your Q is facing?
As you see, the Q's tails were drawn in different directions. But do you notice any difference between the kids and the adults?
It's kind of backward.
It looks like hers is backward.
Because the circle is supposed to be here.
So it's backward, but it's not backward to you. So when I look at your Q's, they look backward. But if you were to look at your Q's from inside your own head, they would look like they were facing the right way.
Interestingly, many of the children painted the Q for themselves, while most of the adults painted it for other people.
It's funny, you hesitated a little bit, didn't you?
Yeah, I wanted to make sure
That it was correct,
that you
right?
saw it that way.
Of course, there are always exceptions. It's just a fun game that speaks to how we start developing awareness of other people's minds. The theory of mind, that other people not only exist but have minds of their own with wants and needs and feelings, isn't just helpful for being social, but for developing your own sense of identity.